Hello everyone. If you are finding a Helium tin coupon code, then this is the right video for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to get an exclusive discount on the Helium 10 Platinum plan. Right now, the normal Platinum plan price is around $129 per month. But with this exclusive deal, you can reduce the price to around $96 per month for the first 6 months. And if you want a long-term deal, you can also get 10% off every month for life on the Platinum plan using the coupon code ALLCOUPONCODES10. So now, let me show you the correct steps to claim the discount. First, visit the link in the description. After that, you will land on the exclusive deal page. Now scroll a little, and you will see both the Platinum and Diamond plans on your screen. If you want the biggest discount, then stay on the page for a few seconds, and slowly scroll down and up slightly. After some time, a special 25% off pop-up will appear for the Platinum plan. Now click the Claim Coupon, or Get 25% Off Now button. For this video, we are using the 25% off for 6 months deal on the Platinum plan. After clicking the button, the checkout page will open automatically. Here, you can see the original Platinum plan price is $129 per month. But after the coupon is applied automatically, the price drops to around $96.75 per month. You can also see the confirmation message, showing that you received 25% off for the first 6 months. So there is no need to enter the coupon code manually. But if you want the lifetime monthly discount instead, you can choose the 10% off every month offer and use the code ALLCOUPONCODES10. Now simply create your account using your name, email address, and password, then click Continue. After that, enter your payment details and complete your payment. And that's it. Your Helium 10 discount is now successfully activated. If this video helped you save money, make sure to like the video and subscribe to all coupon codes for more exclusive coupon codes and discount deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.